कोविड दुयेंता संबंधान कसलेच नेम पाळनात देखून गोंयांत कोविड दुयेंती बरोबरच दुयेंत जावन मरण आयिल्ल्यांचोय आंकडो वाडपाक लागला. गोंयांतल्या लोकांनी तांची आनी तांच्या भुरग्यांची काळजी घेवपाची गरज आसा. लोकांनी गरज नासतना भोंवचें न्ही. गर्दी आशिल्ल्या सुवाती पासून पयसूच रावचें. आयतारा दीस 11 जाण कोविड दुयेंत जावन मरण आयिल्ले, जाल्यार सोमारा दीस 17 जाणांक मरण आयलां. तातूंत एका चलयेचोय आस्पाव आसा, अशी म्हायती भलायकी खात्याचो मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांणी जीएमसीचो डीन बांदेकार आनी भलायकी खात्याच्या संचालका सयत घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत म्हायती दिल्या. एकाच दिसा 17 जाणांक कोविड दुयेंत जावन मरण येवप ही खूब व्हड गजाल.
Today in total patients we admitted COVID patients 47 since morning, out of which 46 all admitted patients are 257. Then ward 122, which is the private ward, it is free ward. There are 24 patients out of 25 beds. Then 113, there are 56 patients with 40 beds. So there are 16 patients on trolleys and Camcot. In 142, I have 37 patients on 30 beds. Then 144, 42 patients on 30 bedded ward. 145, 46 patients on 30 bedded ward. 146, 15 patients on 20 bedded ward. This is very critical ward, that is, it is like an COVID ICU. So 15 are there. And in 147, 37 on a 30 bedded ward.
And what will be your additional requirement for the next week, bed requirement?
What requirement?
Bed requirement, सांगा ना किती.
We might, if this trend continues, then we will have to create almost 40 beds every day, new beds, which we are having our plan, because today, as the Honorable Minister has said, to convert 121, we will get 30 beds there now. So only there are few patients to be removed from there and they have to be put somewhere. So
How many discharges on an average happen?
Discharges, today I think we have discharged about 7-8 patients. So I expect after 15 days, because a lot of patients will get discharges, the state of requirement of beds will reduce maybe after 10 to 12 days. Because once they complete 15 days of treatment, many patients can be, and that cycle will continue, will get admitted. The only thing is infectivity should go down. That is why, again, as sir said, all of us should only tell people at least use mask. And what we have seen is this epidemic, this second wave has got very high infectivity. It has highly infective virus. It is a mutant virus. It looks like a double strain of Maharashtra. It looks like. So please convey to the people that please use mask.
Expired
I
काल.
काल 11
And today
आज 17.
17 म्हणून तुम्हाला बोलवलं आज.
3 were brought dead in peripheral hospital. Brought dead.
So basically with 17 deaths we have to be very careful. We have to be careful. We have to be very careful. We have to be very cautious. We have to take care. This is a very scary situation which is emerging and a tough situation. Okay, so today's rate of positivity is further increased to 34% with 940 cases which are positive. There will be a different figure tomorrow, and people of Goa need to understand, young generation needs to understand, is stop partying, stay at home. This is not the time for you to party. This is a serious situation in the state, in the country. Clubs, we see that people are without face masks, without masks, nothing, everybody jumping around the place. Action should be taken against such clubs. Because today I speak as a very passionately as a health minister of the state of Goa, because the load is increasing on the health sector, load is increasing on the doctors, and parents of these young children and young parents must try to keep their children in the house rather than send them for parties. Every weekend we see on the beach, in Morjim and in many other areas, it seems to be a free flow party everywhere. And as a result, this is affecting more people. Infectivity is increasing. This virus, as we have already said, is an infective virus. It is infecting more compared to last year. And as a result, we all must take care. आनी कोविडाचे वाड चालूच आहा एकदम भरपूर फास्ट पेसान चालू आहा म्हणून म्हाका दिसता की लोकांनी खंय ना खंय काळजी करपाची गरज आहा आनी खुबशे बऱ्यापैकी लोक यंग लोक आमचे कडल्यान पयस गेल्ले आसा दे पास्ट अवे बिकॉज ऑफ कोवीड नॉट बिकॉज दे हॅव नॉट गॉट प्रॉपर केअर बट बिकॉज इट हॅज कन्ज्युम्ड एवरी बॉडी इज डिफरंट सो एज अ रिजल्ट वी शूड बी व्हेरी केअरफुल at any cost. The word given by the Chief Minister of 500,000 testing per day has to be met, and we are at the moment at around 3,000 plus. But our backlog is also there. We are trying to overcome the backlog. We have got a backlog of nearly about 3,000 tests per day, and the backlog of 3,000 tests at the moment. The reason the backlog is because more and more people are testing, and we are also doing contact tracing and all these things put together. The backlog is there. We need to be like what the Chief Minister said at 5,000. If we are at 5,000, cases also are going to be more proportionately, more beds will be required. Ponda Hospital have already put on note that ESIC Hospital to be a COVID hospital, South Goa District Hospital to be a COVID hospital. Shiroda CMS said that will be a COVID care center. Shamakura Prakash Mukherjee Stadium we have taken, and Ponda Hospital will be a COVID hospital. So with this, I think our teams will be in place. We want more doctors also. I have told the Dean and I am telling in direct at DHS, both in presence of the media, whatever the requirement is to put to the government so that we can get more and more resources to help our existing set of doctors that are there. आमकां आठवड्याक एक कमीत कमी 1000 ते 1200 वायल्स आमकां लागता केन्ना केन्ना 800 लागता कारण 1200चो एवरेज धरल्यार आमकां कमीत कमी 5 ते 6000 वायल्स आमकां जाय in a month. Yes, in a month. So basically we are trying to keep an inventory, minimum inventory. We have told one of the factories in Goa that they have to keep a minimum inventory compulsorily of about 10,000 vials, and as a result of which we will to ensure that amche goiche lok and our citizens of the state and people undergoing treatment in the state of Goa for COVID, we don't run short of remdesivir. We have to increase the number of percentage of beds in private hospitals. There's no question of everybody deciding what they want to do. Nobody should come to try to put pressure on the government. Ultimately, every hospital has to pitch in order to see that we are able to deal with this type of crisis. Government, yes, government is doing its best. We are trying to increase our oxygen capacity, trying to see that we have roped in all the companies. We have told one of the companies, Scoop, which was providing oxygen to us to help us out for a bit and to take care of Goa Medical College because his requirement for Goa Medical College itself is very high. Similarly, we have asked Govind Pai Raiturkar and another company to see that they take care of the hospitals in South. So we need to split up all this. Piyush Goyal ji is on record to say that no oxygen for industrial purpose at the moment, divert it towards healthcare and health services and for COVID management.